Oh yeah, it's on now. Got my hair scarf, taking off my earrings and necklace, putting on my face paint, and now I'm ready to go to war with my laundry. Have you ever felt this way? Just ready to fight with the revolving piles of clothes? Have no fear, Rona is here. In this video, I will give you all the laundry motivation you need and also 7 helpful tips for making laundry more bearable. This will be loads of fun. Now I have loads more puns where that came from. Tip number 1, make sure to have all supplies ready beforehand so you aren't searching all over the place trying to find them. I used plastic hangers for air drying certain wet clothes that didn't need to be dried, laundry baskets, laundry bags for undergarments, which will be explained more in just a minute, organic dryer sheets and whitener for the whites, a large washable laundry bag for the dry clothes that I will be pulling out of the dryer. Tip 2, try to do your laundry during the week so you can enjoy your weekend. So here is our updated laundry routine. We wash on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday so that we won't be doing laundry over the weekend. Because who wants to be doing that? I have 4 girls, where 2 share one room and 2 share another. Both sets of girls have 1 laundry basket and 1 white undergarment bag. Which brings me to tip number 3. Separate undergarments from regular clothes ahead of time to find socks and small items easily. Since these are already sorted out, I just have to drop them in with a load and it makes things so much easier. The loads I sort by are whites, including towels, colored towels, including kitchen towels, bedding, and darks. If you have received value so far, please do me a favor and hit the like button and type a laundry basket in the comments. Another tip that can help make you not want to throw in the towel is wash laundry more frequently so you have smaller, more manageable loads. As I stated, we now do 3 times a week for my family of 6, whereas we used to only do once a week and it felt like such a sacrifice. On this channel, I post cleaning and organizational motivation and occasionally post home decoration videos. So if this interests you, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. For those who may wonder what it is that I'm washing with, I use non-toxic, environmentally friendly laundry products and use about 5 small squirts of laundry detergent per large load and a small amount of laundry booster to make it smell nice. I use non-toxic dryer sheets as well, and I do not use bleach. The fumes from bleach can be a lot to inhale, and as I have a daughter with respiratory issues, I have to be careful what I use. So instead, I use a whitener that is also non-toxic and uses plant-based products as the main agent. Tip number 5, listen to music or watch a show to keep you slightly distracted. I even sometimes talk on the phone when I have time. This will help you turn the tide and watch it all unfold. You can't really tell, but I'm actually watching a show on television. Tip number 6, grab help. When there are a lot of clothes on the line, have your family help take a load off. I used to do all the laundry when my girls were younger, but when they got a little older, I started giving them simple tasks like folding face towels and sorting clothes or matching socks. As I used to be an educator, I started incorporating math in the laundry as well. So with folding, I was teaching symmetry and fractions, and with the sorting, I was teaching colors and like items, etc. So that even killed two birds with one stone. My girls also have color coordinated towels so that they know what is theirs, and they also have color coordinated hangers. And I mentioned this on another laundry video, and I'll link that in the description box below. And now here you see the poor little Lone Ranger that's just taking all day doing her stuff. So this was actually the original last load, but then my youngest brought down one more load to do, so we had a very close call. Get it? Close call? Close call? Yeah, that was horrible. So here I am celebrating the last load. It's all about perspective. Speaking of perspective, I'm teaching my daughters how not to look at one seemingly large load and stress out. This is some of why we switched to laundry 3 days a week as well. Once I started sorting out the load, they quickly realized it really wasn't that bad. So here is their new routine that they voted on. Each child gets their own stack of clothes to hang and fold. This way the loads are more fair, and then if one child needs help after everyone is done, they each can help the one with the most clothes. However, this also helps them to see how many clothes they are throwing in the dirty clothes basket as well. Have your children ever thrown clothes in the basket that were actually not dirty? Like they tried on something and then they didn't wear it and then just threw it in the basket but then dropped dirty clothes on top of them? Yeah, I have a couple who have tried this before. So this is my way of helping them to also see how they are creating more work for themselves. This has helped a ton. Hey, consider that a bonus tip. See, it pays to keep watching. I try to monitor my youngest daughter, or at least have one of my older daughters help her with any questions she may have. Since she has velvet hangers, well, all of them do, I was just showing her how to hang her clothes from the bottom so that it doesn't stretch out her necks of her shirts. We're still working on that technique for her. So I'm guessing you can see the one who I was talking about who had the issue where she was throwing clean clothes in the laundry. I don't know about you, but I tend to get the most lint after a load from whites and towels. So yeah, let me know if this is you as well. I always change the lint filter after every use of the dryer to help prevent the possibility of having a house fire. And now here is the last load. I'm hanging up certain wet items that don't need to be dried on the plastic hangers. Since I had a mixture of people's clothes in this white load, I sorted this one into categories right before I started folding. I'm also watching TV and sometimes looking at certain things on my phone at the same time, but it helps me to go faster. Hey, whatever floats your boat. Make sure you stay tuned to this channel though, because I do plan to do another video coming up soon about how I actually fold my clothes. I've been told I fold really well, so I want to do a video just kind of showing how I do that. And here, speaking of folding, I tend to fold my towels, these white ones, because we're color coded as well. I tend to fold those like how a spa would, or they call it a spa fold. I've seen other different techniques on this, so yeah. And here I am taking out the last load of clothes from the dryer, so I'm super excited about this. Hey, hey. Now, with laundry, sometimes there can be loads on your mind. So my last tip number 7, is to set a timer for each load. I try to estimate as best I can how long it would take me to fold and hang everything and even put it up. And sometimes it can be fun seeing if I can match or beat this time. This helps keep you accountable and finish the laundry quicker, hey, and that can make it more enjoyable.
Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. Wow. So where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done?
I hope this video gave you all the laundry motivation you needed to get it all done and that you now feel empowered and not want to throw in the towel. I will be doing another video like this soon, so make sure to stay plugged into this channel. I do like to find ways to make cleaning more fun and enjoyable, so hopefully you enjoyed this video and even my horrible puns. So now that the clothes are done, it's time to have a dance party.
I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm home.
So instead of going to war, hopefully now you can be at peace. Danielle, I need you to put that wig thing in a box.
Yeah.
Everything feels like it just stays the same.
What? Oh, I look crazy. Now I can't get it off. Girl, I sat up here and stuck some black lipstick on my face. And now I'm over here trying to get it off and can't. It's stuck.
You don't look the same without your glasses.
Crazy. I look like Jiminy Cricket.
No. Jiminy looks a whole lot worse. Like a whole lot.
I said a whole lot better.
No.
What?
Wait.
Wait. I'm recording. What do you want? See you next time. Bye-bye.